Adyan's world. Today my project is Tesla automatic car. Let's move on to the video. Let's move on to the coding part. Starting the code with when Arduino begin. Set servo pin 6 out 90 degree. Initialize pin right motor to 4 5. Left motor pin to 7 8. Forever pin. Set distance to ultrasonic sensor. Pin trigger 11. Echo to 10. Read distance in centimeter. If the distance is greater than 15 centimeter, then the car move forward. If the distance is lesser than 15 centimeter, then the car move backward. Wait for 0.2 seconds and the car stop. Set servo pin 6 out 0 degree. Wait for 0.2 seconds. Set distance left to ultrasonic sensor pin trigger 11 echo 10. Read distance in centimeter. Set servo pin 6 out 90 degree. Wait for 0.2 second. Set servo pin 6 out 180 degree. Wait for 0.2 second. Set distance right to ultrasonic sensor pin trigger to 11 echo to 10. Read distance in centimeter. Set servo pin 6 out 90 degree. Wait for 0.2 second. If distance left is greater than distance right, set the car move left, else the car move right. Wait for 0.7 second and stop. The ultrasonic sensor VCC to positive, GND to negative, trigger to D11 of the nano, echo to D10 of the nano, and the right motor to 4 and 5 of the nano, and the left motor to 7 and 8 of the nano, and the servo motor VCC to positive, GND to negative, PWM to D6 of the nano. All these connections are connected using motor driver. I have already coded my Arduino Nano. Let's see the working of my Tesla automatic car. This is my project. If you like my video, do subscribe, like, share with your friends. Bye bye. My name is Ilya from LiQWYD.